In this activity, you are going to analyze the craft and structure of Act 1 of the Diary of Anne Frank. So I need you to be on page 153. We are going to go over this section called Text Structures in Drama. So the main point of reading this play is to learn how playwrights use dialogue to build a story. So dialogue, and I need you to be annotating as we go. Dialogue is the conversation between or among characters. In the play, dialogue serves three main functions. So, 1, dialogue helps readers learn about characters, including their relationships and their goals or motivations. 2, dialogue helps to set the mood or emotional quality of a scene in order to prompt a desired feeling or response in readers or the audience. 3, dialogue can help develop plots or subplots, including conflicts or problems and struggles. So, in order for dialogue to do this, characters will confide in friends, argue. I know it says with enemies, but it can be an argument with anybody, or plan actions with each other, or with themselves in a monologue. Now, dialogue also helps the playwrights create dramatic irony. In dramatic irony, a situation occurs in which the audience knows more than the characters do. So that is very important in this play. For example, in a play based on tragic historical events, such as the Diary of Anne Frank, the audience knows the characters' fates. We know that many of them are going to die at the hands of the Nazis. And this contributes to our suspense. This contributes to tension. And then I'll add that this contributes to the overall sadness of the events that take place. So it helps us to understand what these people went through and how bleak the situation was. So, and I'll give you a minute to get those things down. Well, a couple seconds.